Clearing your search history on TripAdvisor can help maintain your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log in. Access the TripAdvisor website or app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Privacy or Data Management section. This is where you can manage your search history and other personal data. Step 4. Clear Search History. Locate the option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option to remove all past searches from your account. Step 5. Confirm deletion. You may be prompted to confirm your decision to delete your search history. Confirm the action to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on TripAdvisor. Regularly updating your privacy settings can enhance your overall experience on the platform.